I used some Arctic Silver 5. It's a really good thermal compound, but it is conductive. It has little specks of silver in it. So just make sure not to use too much, as you could short out components. I'm just going to put a little bead right in the center. If it'll want to stay. Try and be careful with the little tails that come off. I try and keep it all just right in that center. Alright, now I'll hook up my fan wiring. And then I will line up my screw holes. Alright. They're pretty much aligned. I'll apply a little pressure in the middle. Got to remagnetize my screwdriver, it looks like. Slightly magnetized still. Alright, so now I'm going to re-add the pressure in the center. Get these to hand tight. I'll just give it a tiny bit extra. Don't need to force it. Alright. This is good to go.